So hi everyone, in this short tutorial today we will learn how you can create viral YouTube thumbnails for free using ChatGPT image generation. So last month ChatGPT introduced image generation where Ghibli trend went out of hands if you remember. But this particular image generation is so powerful that you can use it for multiple things including creating a YouTube thumbnail as well. So in this short tutorial, let's try to create a YouTube thumbnail that will go viral for sure. So let's get started. So assume that I wish to create a YouTube thumbnail for the title Bollywood Hit Songs 2010. What are the elements of a viral YouTube thumbnail for title Bollywood Hit Songs 2010? Assume that I want to have a click rate of 20%. Give each feature to be included in detail. So first of all, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get ChatGPT's idea. What are the elements of a viral YouTube thumbnail that I should consider? Right. With this, we will be having all the things because see, ChatGPT is trained on a lot of data set. You might be skipping out certain elements, but it won't. Hence, we would be first of all taking its tips. What should be included, and then crafting our prompt. Bold, readable text, recognizable celebrity faces, crop tight, vibrant colors plus high contrast, ear highlighted as a visual anchor. So you should provide a title and then ask this. This can be very different for a video or for a title which belongs to technology, for example, music or party related visual cue, emotionally evocative imagery, etc. Want me to mock up a thumbnail sketch layout? So let's try this out. Yes, create a landscape YouTube thumbnail for the same title. Remember to check the spellings and the text should not spill out of the image. So there are a few things that I'm adding here. Let me add one more thing. Take all the insights that are mentioned in the above answer to create the YouTube thumbnail. One thing I'm mentioning here is landscape, because why I'm mentioning this, when I was trying to create a YouTube thumbnail without this, it was creating a square image. So one thing is that apart from that, at times it will go wrong with spellings also. So you need to add this in your prompt. Remember to check the spellings, and the text should not spill out. This is the most important line in the prompt, because what is happening at times the text does not fit into the image, right? And then we are asking you to take all the insights that are mentioned in the above answer. So let's hit this button and let it create a viral YouTube thumbnail for us for Bollywood songs 2010. By the time I tried the same prompt with one of the technical videos, so I asked it for the same tips. NVIDIA GPUs for AI beginners. I was trying to, this is a different domain, right? This is more related to this channel. So big, bold, and readable face plus expression. It mentioned that for technical videos also, you need to have a surprising face. Use a GPU visual. Highlight a comparison or surprise. Add hype words or emote triggers. Secret, shocking, underrated, newbie trap. Clean composition. Your face on one side, text on another. GPU image centered or diagonally angled. Quick example ideas. Then I asked it to create the same thumbnail. As you can see, create a landscape YouTube thumbnail for me. Keep a special focus on spellings. Text should not spell out. And this is the final thumbnail that it generated. It's quite good, to be honest. As you can see, it has a surprised face. A real GPU image is coming out. The text is visible to me. It has Nvidia logo as well. And you won't believe, I tried a few of these thumbnails and I got a click rate way higher than what I usually get. So this is one of the examples that I just drove in front of you. At times I got criticized for this face also on certain channels, so I removed that. So a different prompt I started using for that. I'll be showing you some more examples by the time this particular thumbnail gets generated for us. As you can see, it is taking some time. So here is a recent thumbnail that I created for A Step, one of the previous videos you can check out on the page, which has a logo of ChatGPT music, ChatGPT for music A Step. So how I created this, I didn't ask it for any viral tips. I'm providing it the title. The text should stand out from background. The text should not spill out of the image. This is a very common problem that I'm facing. So what happens? Chat GPT C will go out. So hat GPT would appear. Special focus on correct spellings. Whatever you wish to highlight, that should be mentioned. Highlight A step. So A step is getting highlight here. Now let me show you something else. I have been creating YouTube thumbnails using Chat GPT now. Here also the same technique I have used. The text should stand out from background. Text should not spill out of image. Highlight NVIDIA parakeet. Whatever I wish to highlight. Smallest, fastest ASR. Special focus on correct spelling. Use relevant backgrounds and images. I have been creating a lot of thumbnails here. N8N. I think all these videos you can figure out on my channel. So this is a very common prompt that I'm using because I don't want to have that face coming into the thumbnail right now. So I missed it. But for other channels, I think apart from technology, this prompt, like first of all, asking Chat GPT to give its insight and then incorporating this insight with certain guardrails should be a blast of a thumbnail for you. N- Now we have got our thumbnail and this is crazy. Just see here, it is able to mimic Shah Rukh Khan, Katrina Kaif. The number is highlighted 2010 Bollywood hit songs. This is amazing. And I should give it a 10 on 10 easily. Should we try out something else? Yes, we should. So we will attempt one more thumbnail creation in front of you. Help me generate what elements should be part of a viral YouTube thumbnail that will generate me 20% click rate for the title A Day in My Life at Google. So this is a very common video that techies are generating in India. So let's try it out. Let's try creating a thumbnail for this as well. Thumbnail elements, the human element, face close up with emotion. The visual hook, what's uniquely Google? Snap a photo with a Google sign, logo wall, or quirky Google campus feature. This is very interesting. Bold, readable text. I think right now ChatGPT is the teacher for any topic you wish to have. Color, contrast, and saturation. Scene tease, mid-action shots. Mystery object or blur effect, etc. So we will ask it the same. Create a landscape thumbnail for the same title. A special focus should be on correct spellings. The text should not spell out. Use the above insights mentioned in the above answer to create your final thumbnail. So we will try this out before wrapping up. This is a crucial tool, to be honest, if you are into design or if you are like trying to create posters, you're trying to create infographics. I'm creating some infographics also. So by the time this takes time, now here we have got it. As you can see, some spelling mistakes are here. Did we made a spelling mistake in a title? Maybe yes. A day in my life at Google. As you can see, some spelling mistakes are here. A day in my life at Google. The thumbnail is pretty good, to be honest, but there are certain spelling mistakes. As what I mentioned, spellings are going a little bonkers at time. Even the Google logo at background is wrong. Google L is missing. So you might need to go to the edit section here. You might need to highlight this, or if not highlight, just describe it here. Key correct the spellings and reiterate it, and eventually the thumbnail should be correct for you. So it might require you to go through 2 to 3 iterations, but you should be able to get a final desired thumbnail for you. I hope this was useful and you create some wonderful thumbnails, posters, infographics for your projects. Thank you so much.